What's good, guys? So today I'm gonna go over 5 combos that you should be doing the next time you hit a boxing ring. So guys, let's get started. Welcome to the ReggieBFitness. Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. So guys, today we're gonna go over 5 combos that you should be doing the next time you go to a boxing ring or you're just using self-defense against someone who is trying to attack you. So when using these combos, remember to always keep your hands up, always turn into your punches, and always pay attention to what's open for the person. So guys, let's jump right into this video. You guys ready? Let's get it. Alright guys, going on to our first combo. Our first combo, the jab cross, also known as the 1-2. So when you're throwing your jab cross, the jab should be the setup. You don't want to throw it to try to knock the person out. It's a measuring tape. So if I'm throwing and the person's not there, once I'm able to touch, that's when I know the cross can come. Because it can contact. If I'm throwing here, if I throw the punch, it's not going to be there. So the jab is the setup. Bam. And then that's when you hit the cross. So we're gonna do a few, I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done. You see how I'm taking that step forward? So if I'm not in range, I'm taking a step forward for the jab, and then I'm hitting that cross to contact your opponent. Combo number 2, we're gonna still use the jab cross, but now we're gonna throw a left hook inside the shot, which is gonna look like this. Pop, pop. So I'm jabbing, crossing, and then when you throw your left hook, the hand comes back. You're gonna use your torso and then turn. So I'm not reaching out, throwing my hook. I'm here, so it looks like this. If I'm here, boom, boom, you see how I'm already here. By the time I come back, all I gotta do is this. Rather than doing, you'll see some guys when they're throwing hooks, they're throwing like this, they're throwing too wide. That's keeping too many openings for your opponent to attack you. So you want to keep everything nice and tight. So when you're throwing, it's bam, bam, and then bow, which is gonna look like this. So you want to keep your hands up and turn into every punch. Combo number 3. Now we're going to throw a right cross after the left hook. Again, when I talk to you about hitting combos, you're throwing the punches on the turn and the positioning that your body is turning when you're throwing. For example, so if I'm throwing here, I'm jab, cross. You see how when I throw the cross, I'm already in that position to throw that left hook. Bang. So now when I throw that left hook, I'm back into the position and I'm cocking back for my right cross to come. Boom. That's exactly how we're gonna do. So we're gonna do jab, cross, left hook, right cross, which is gonna look like this. So that's how you throw that right cross after that left hook. Combo number 4, throwing the left hook after the right cross. So again, like I tell you with all the other combos right before, you always want to keep that movement. So the person, if they do counter while you're doing the combo, you're moving out of the way or you're dodging their shot to anticipate your next combo on them. So this is exactly how the shot's going to look when you're making contact to a person. Jab, cross, left hook, cross, left hook to the body. That's how you throw that left hook after the right cross. Combo number 5, throwing the right cross again after the hook to the body. So we're gonna use all of the combos in one. The jab cross, hook to the head, cross, hook to the body, right cross again. And then you're gonna move out the way. Jab cross. Move around the opponent, move here, move here. So that's how you incorporate all 5 combos. Alright guys, there you have it. So remember, when using every one of these combos, don't just throw them out all together if the person is not open enough for you to hit them. You want to make sure, read your opponent, see if they're tired, see if they're open enough, and then if they are, attack them with these combos. So guys, remember, don't forget to hit that notification button so you know when my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, we will applaud you. Metamorphosis complete.